Alright, welcome to another Fresh Friday. I have 3 new boards that are going to be available in the Cobra Amusements store on Pinside, so I just wanted to introduce them, so let's take a look. So the first board I wanted to take a look at is a MiniDome LED ring. This has 8 LEDs on it. These are smaller than normal, like WS2812s. They're a smaller size, similar to my Star Post LEDs. The regular size LEDs wouldn't fit in this tight of a ring, so I use the smaller ones here. And let's take a closer look at one of these. So you've got ground, D out, D in, and 5 volts. This is meant to interface with like my Twig boards, or you can wire them manually. You can take a look at the Twig and branch boards. I'll include a link to those. And again, these are meant for a mini dome. So these have the same hole spacing as a mini dome. You can, bolt them together like that in your plastics or something for your pinball machine, and then get some good flashers as well as swirling effects with these 8 LEDs on here. You do have to solder your own connections here. There's no connector on it. There you have it. That's the mini dome. Now the other boards that I'm excited to add to the Cobra Amusements shop are the first 2 of potentially many OPP boards. These are the original Open Pinball Project boards made by Hugh Spar. He asked me to start carrying them in my shop, so I said, yeah, that'd be great. So the first one we have is the Power Filter board. So you can add large capacitors for power filtering, as well as negative temperature coefficient thermistors for some filtering there, and there's some indication and different ways to connect this up. This is actually the first board that I started with in my pinball machine journey, was just getting one of these and putting it together so that I could filter my power. So yeah, excited to have those in the shop. And the other OPP board that I have is this Solenoid Plank board. This can drive 8 coils, and this connects to a Blue Pill microcontroller, STM32 microcontroller. Again, this is a great start to testing out your own mechs or something. So with the Power Filter board and the Solenoid Plank board and a few other parts that you can buy on Amazon, you can get going testing a pinball machine. So I'm offering both of these as bare boards, as the original OPP also was. And the idea here is that you've got to source your own components and solder them yourselves. It makes for a good project if you want to do some soldering with your kids or something. So bare boards are cheaper for you to get a hold of, and can be a learning experience in and of themselves. So check them out on Cobra Amusements Pinside Shop. Thanks for watching my second Fresh Friday. Check out the Cobra Amusements Pinside Shop to go ahead and get some of these boards or one of the many other ones that I offer there. And let's build some pinball. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.